Hello traders, good morning. Welcome to the Upper Hand Trader channel here. David speaking. So today going to go through stocks again. Markets had not done much since our last videos in terms of long-term or mid-term, let's say, movement on stocks. Today it started moving, so I think it's a good time to update. Let's start with NASDAQ. On the NASDAQ, as we've said before, we have a monthly that is low, below 20, pointing down. A weekly that hasn't bounced much. The bounce on the NASDAQ was not huge, and the daily is coming down strongly now. I'm looking for new lows here. If I'm to be honest, good target would be the bottom of this channel here, or the extension here is also not a bad target. We can do the where is it? Okay, that is cannot here 1.382. 38.2. So as I was saying, these good targets. This is a more conservative target around the 10,000 level, and it's right on 10,000, so probably a good place to take profits. And this is a more aggressive one, but as we can see, the tendency here is that the daily will cross that weekly and keep pushing down. Now, with that said, the NASDAQ is not the best setup, in my opinion. Here, the Dow has retraced much more. The disadvantage of the Dow is that the monthly is there's some indecision there. As you can see, some lines pointing up, some pointing down, but we're bouncing off this channel here, and I still think we're going to see retest of these lows here. Once this daily crosses below the weekly, which should be today or tomorrow, it's potentially a good point to enter with the stops above the highs here. In terms of stops on the NASDAQ, I would place them above the highs as well. In terms of S&P, S&P is probably the best of the setups of US stocks, because the monthly is still pointing down with some momentum. The weekly has retraced enough, better than the NASDAQ, and the daily is moving down with some power, and it's going to cross that weekly soon. That's a great entry opportunity. Again, stops above the highs. I would, if you want to enter even before that cross is finalized, which should be tomorrow, at the end of tomorrow, I'd say you can probably wait for an H4 cycle up, and as it crosses daily down, provided that that daily is still pointing down as we see it now, that would be a very good entry point. In terms of Europe, FTSE still moving down the monthly, keeps the momentum. The weekly is recovering, as we discussed on the last video, and the daily is starting to come down now. Still further from the weekly line. The better play here would be to take the 4 hours. So I would wait the 4 hour to cycle up, and as it crosses the daily down, I would enter that trade, looking for the daily to keep going down and push that monthly further down and start turning that weekly. In terms of the DAX is sort of It's a bit similar to the DOW in the sense that the monthly is starting to turn, but the weekly, as you can see, as it stands, is losing momentum. So if that daily crosses down the weekly, I'm entering short there, stops above the highs and targets around the lows. These are good targets on here. Yeah, that's it right there. I would target that at least for partials. Then you can try and reach these lows, for example. Actually, no, these are higher. The bottom channel, I'd say. My bad there. The bottom trend line there, the bottom channel, which is the reflection of this downtrend line, or the stochastics. No, sorry, no stochastics. These 161.8 here would be a good level. 138.2 is right at the lows. It's actually here. So yeah, 138.2 is where it bounced on this first leg. So we'll probably go 161.8 now, if not lower. So yeah, that's my coverage of the stocks for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up below, subscribe to our channel to see more of our analysis. Thank you. Have a good day.